Hello there, welcome to Albo Studio. In today's video we are going to create our bootable Kali Linux USB drive. So let's go to our computer and create our bootable drive.
So, to create a Kali Linux bootable USB drive, first we'll need to go to kalilinux.org and download Kali Linux distribution. On their main website you'll need to click download over here. Now we will need to select installer images. You could see that there is option for 64-bit, 32-bit and Apple Silicon. I will be using a 64-bit installer. Let's download it. Okay, save. You can see that Kali Linux is downloading right now and it will take a few minutes before it's downloaded. Next, to create a bootable drive, we'll need to download Rufus. Rufus is an application that allows us to create bootable images. You will need to go to rufus.ie, downloads, and over here you will be able to download the latest version of Rufus. Click on it, save, and you can see that Rufus is downloaded. Let's click on it. Yes, since it's portable application, it's just starting and you don't need to do anything. You could see that over here I have my 16GB drive ready. Now the only thing we are waiting is for Kali Linux to finish downloading so that we can start making our bootable drive. As you can see, our Kali Linux is almost downloaded. Few seconds is left. It took me 10 minutes to download it. Okay, so it should appear over here right now. And okay, so let's open the folder. Okay, so here. Now we have our Kali Linux downloaded. Now let's make our bootable drive. We will need to select Kali Linux from desktop over here. Okay, so everything looks good. We have select Kali Linux. The device that we'll use to store it is our USB drive. Okay, let's start. Yes, of course. Okay, now Rufus will start making our bootable USB drive. Okay, continue. Okay, now it will format our USB drive and start copying our Kali Linux files to our USB drive. This could take from 10 to 20 minutes, depending on your hardware. Okay, Rufus is almost finished. It took me 12 minutes and 40 seconds to do everything. Okay, so we are ready. Let me close Rufus. Let me close my browser. Yes, close all tabs. Okay, let's open. Here is our Kali Linux USB drive. And we have everything for our bootable process to be started. And this is how you create a bootable drive for Kali Linux.
Well, now you have your bootable Kali Linux that you can enjoy. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for similar content. This was Alex and I hope to see you soon. Take care.